Hey, what is up guys, it's me Murtaza Ahmed back with another video and welcome back to Trick Legend video. So today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make scrolling text on your Android device just like this. So let's get started into the video. So once you open KineMaster, it will be something like this, and take any video clip in which you want to set your scrolling text. So I had this, so I set it. So now next thing is go ahead and choose the position. So I like this. So next thing is choose the position and go to the layer option and then press on image. So you're gonna have something like this. Then go to background and select a dark background. So it will be something like this. Then make it bigger and take it to the below of the screen. Okay, so it's done. Next thing is make it longer for the scrolling text background. So once you done that, go ahead and you're gonna have something like alpha opacity and then make it around 60%. So 60% looks cool. So then press on the checkmark button. So next thing is press here and go to in animation and give any animation you want. So I'm gonna go with fade. So next thing is give the ouch animation also fade because it looks cool. So you're gonna have something like this. So next thing is go ahead and press on layer and go to text and write whatever you want. So I'm gonna write with subscribe to my channel and stay with me. So you can write anything whatever you want. So I'm gonna go with this. So then press OK and then make it longer by the background. So it will be something like this. So then take it to the below of the screen. So right here. Okay. So now go ahead and choose the font whatever you want. So I'm gonna go with this Red Sans bold. It looks cool because try to give the bold font whatever you want. So then from here you can change the color and there are the other options. So I'm gonna go with white. It looks cool. So make it a little bit shorter so for the image beautifully. So it will be something like beautiful or pretty much cool. So the next step is go ahead and make it something like this and take it to the right of the screen. So once you done that, go to the in position of the scrolling text and then go on and press the key option to make it animate, and press the plus and then take it to the left. So it will be something like this. So then press on the checkmark button and it will be something like this. So before I did it, make sure the sound quality is at the low position. Then it will be something like this. Just watch it. So the another trick is you can control the speed of your scrolling text. So the main trick is if you make it shorter, so your scrolling text will be very fast. Just watch it. It will be something like this. So it's very fast, and if you make it a little bit shorter, so it will be more faster. Okay, and if you want to make it bigger, longer and very slow, so make it very longer if you want. So it will be very slow. So as you saw that it is slower than the before ones. So guys, that's all for today, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time with another video.